Hey everybody, game time. Today I'm going to do something new, open something new. This is a box of 2018-19 Donruss basketball. This is a hobby box. There's only 10 packs, but as you can see they have 30 cards per pack. So this is actually a very heavy, very heavy box. Here's kind of some of the stuff we're looking for. Next day autographs. Featuring the first on-card signatures from the hottest rookies. Ultra rare Charles Barkley short print insert. Don't know that I necessarily need that, but whatever. 2 guaranteed autos. I think something like a crazy number of inserts, which is pretty common with Donruss stuff. Lots of parallels and inserts. There's a big old fatty. And there's a lot of cards. I'm going to try to go through it kind of quick. Same Donruss design that we've already seen from other sports. From football and baseball. Lord, we're going to have to play the flip the card game. Let's see if I can just get on into. There's an All-Stars Embiid. Looks like a Saved by the Bell insert. Nice textured Hawkins, David Robinson. Court Kings, Kyle Lowry. Another All-Stars, Lillard. Retro Series, Reggie Miller. Another 80s looking. And All Heart, Russell Westbrook. Here are some of the rookie cards. Again, looks... well, a rookie card. Looks very much like the football. Trae Young. Well, they're kind of mixed in here with vets. So that's kind of weird. And flipped around. So, wow. It's going to take a minute. There's Bagley. And the last one of this pack is Hutchinson. Let me go ahead and sort these. Go ahead and get through these. Man, I wish they wouldn't flip these around quite so much. Alright. Hawkins, Pippen, McCollum, Court Kings, All-Stars, Durant, Swishful Thinking, Reggie Miller. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this 80s design. I'm not exactly a fan of that. Knox, rookie. Edwards. Jackson Jr. Okobo, and Ayton. So no parallels yet, unless I breezed past one. I don't want this to take all day. Got tons of stuff I need to get done today on working on the store. Antetokounmpo, Court Kings. Oh, this is a press proof. Maybe I have overlooked something, because that just, I barely caught a glimpse of that. Oh, and there's another press proof. So there probably are things I have overlooked and we'll have to go back. There's Rookie Kings. Court Kings, the rookies, Jackson, the first one of those. Retro Series, Pippen, Embiid, All-Stars, again, already have one of those. Bridges. Brown. Porter Jr. I do like the look of these with these, just the like photography background. I think that looks good. This is just a good looking card all around. Nice pose. Yeah, I definitely like the look of those rated rookies. Got something shiny coming up here. Oh, and here's a Trae Young Rookie Kings press proof. These are not numbered though. Here is a numbered press proof. Spellman /99. That is a sweet looking card. Rookie Kings Bridges, Court Kings Wall, Retro Dennis Rodman. All clear for takeoff, Julius Irving. All Stars, DeRozan. And let's get through the rookies. Mitchell Robinson. Oh, why did they do this? Jerome Robinson and Anthony Simmons. So we've already got a nice little stack of rated rookies there. Kuzma. Okay. Is this an autograph? It looks like it is. Louis Dampier. This is numbered out of, this is a old timer. Hall Dominator, numbered out of 99. So there's my first auto. Hall Kings Barry. Rookie Kings, Wishful Thinking, Curry. Wiggins, All Heart. My favorite player of all time, Larry Bird. Graham. Alexander. Bamba. Grayson Allen. Smith. And Brown Jr. Man, this is a lot of cards. I mean, a lot. When the package came today, I actually thought it was some holders or something else because the box was so dang heavy, and nope, it was this heavy box. Oh Lord, is this my other autograph? Oof. Well, my autographs were pretty stinky. I can't even pronounce this. I have no idea who this is. Granted, I don't know basketball like I know the other sports, but woof, that's brutal. Definitely not happy with my hits. Rookie Kings, Maravich, Gay, Bagley, the rookies, Bridges, Sexton, Evans, Frazier, I don't know what it is. What is this? Bates Diop, I guess. Alright. Still got 4 packs to go and already got my 2 award-winning autographs. Note sarcasm. Maybe something else crazy will come out of here. Let's keep going and see. Kinda doubting it though. Wiggins, Dennis Smith Jr., Court Kings, Hall Kings Parrish, Anthony, Oladipo, Paul George. I'll get into our rookies mixed with base cards. Kyrie Thomas. Another Trae Young. So we're starting to get a couple of dupes. Williams. Spellman. Another Bagley. Alright. Get through all these base cards again. There is a rookie press proof, numbered to 349. Kuzma Court Kings, Porter Jr. Rookie Kings, Argh Curry and Stephon Marbury insert, Zach LaVine, clear for takeoff, Walker Rookie, Bridges, Herder, whatever, Hutchinson, and Porter Jr. Yep, definitely getting lots of dupes now, because I've definitely seen these guys already. Alright. Court Kings, Larry Bird, Hall Kings, Westbrook clear for takeoff, Davis All-Stars, Paul Pierce Retro Series, Holiday, Gary Trent Jr., Wendell Carter Jr. Seems like there's lots of juniors in this rookie class. Alright, last pack. And we will wrap this uneventful breakup. And it has definitely been that. I will look back through since I did kind of fly through, but there's probably a couple of press proofs that I missed, but really nothing crazy. I really don't think there was anything earth-shattering. Rodman, Kemp, Robertson, Antetokounmpo. So I guess this is related to the other Antetokounmpo. So now I gotta say that name all over the place. Carter rookie. Justin Jackson. Wasn't there a Justin Jackson in the last year's rookie class? I'm almost sure there was. Alright, so this is what we're looking at as far as base cards. There are a lot. I can stack them up here. Okay. Those are all plain base. These are all rated rookies. There are a ton of rated rookies. Let me see. There we go. For comparison. And then this was the stack of inserts and press proofs. Again, there might be a press proof or two that I missed while going, because I was kind of flying through here, but probably only one or two. So that's quite a few inserts. And then these hits. Yeah, the vet is not too bad. But I don't know this guy at all. I mean, you guys can tell me. Is he supposed to be anything special? I don't think so. I'm actually really disappointed in these two autographs. So hopefully you guys fare better if you decide to open this. Hopefully you fare a lot better than this. Okay, everybody take care. I'll be back with my next break soon.